SmellyBelly TV. And today is Sunday. Every day that nobody likes. Nobody likes Sundays. Nobody does. It's just boring. Because then you have to go to school the next day or work, whatever you go to. Work, school. Where's Aydah? Aydah is in her swimsuit because we're supposed to be going to the pool. I don't really know. And I did my hair all nice.
Whenever it's sunny.
You did my hair all nice, mother. Who did? You did. See, this is the new camera we got. Pretty cool. Like a baby. It has stabilizers in the lens, so it's not shaky as much. This can flip, like how our old camera did. And technically, it's just like our old camera. It's just smaller and easier to vlog with. What do you want to say?
I want to vlog some.
Let's sit right here. Let's talk.
No, wait. I got a better place to put it, Jayla.
Okay, where do you want to put it? I think Aydah's going to show you some gymnastics.
Okay.
Just set you down so you don't fall.
Let me
Ready? Gymnastics.
Ready? You're just going to see my legs right now, I'm pretty sure.
Gymnastics.
They said gymnastics.
Ow. I fell off the bed.
She fell off the bed.
I fell off the bed.
I landed on.
She fell on top of me.
It was like this.
Okay. Well, I guess we're gonna...
I walked some.
Let's go downstairs, man.
Okay.
Meet you down... Oh, you want to see the cool steps? Diesel! Say hello, tuna breath. His breath still smells like tuna from... his breath still smells like... I'm going to tell him something. His breath still smells like tuna from last vlog. If you don't know... if you haven't seen last vlog, check it out. Go check it out.
Okay. So, yeah, I'm going downstairs. It looks pretty like... It looks like I'm flying. And I only got down this many stairs right now.
Diesel!
Oh, look at it!
Fine.
Yeah, I'm flipping you guys.
Get me down.
Okay.
Bring me my trusty car.
Now you get to ride down with the camera. You're holding the camera.
Okay. Give me my trusty car. Ready, guys?
Want me to push you?
No, I got it. I noticed last vlog, that I was zooming in a lot, and it was kind of making it like the vlog, like where am I? What are you zooming on to? One second, what are you zooming on to? So I'll try not to zoom this much on this episode. You're not going backwards with the camera. It's too expensive.
Fine. I'll go frontwards. Let me get frontwards. Okay, frontwards. Oh, and I am wearing a swimsuit.
Yes.
That's okay. Wait, don't.
I'm just gonna give you a little push.
That was barely anything. Oh, the rain. Oh, the rain. Oh, the rain. Okay, let me flip it. Okay, let me make sure. Look at all that beautiful rain. You guys can't even see. Look at all that beautiful rain. Oh, there's so much construction. See that little orange thing?
Hey guys, so we're about to go to the pool. I got my pool goggles on, and we're gonna get some clips with the
Look at my hair. Look at my hair.
With a waterproof camera.
It's called a fro, Aydah.
I got a fro.
Daddy, what's that thing on the camera?
What thing?
It says zoom.
I don't know.
Zoom. Everyone's excited to go to the pool.
We're on our way to the pool.
Pirates booty.
We got pirates booty.
And a camera that we're vlogging on.
And it's raining outside, but we don't care. We're gonna go have some fun. Anyways.
Go have some fun in the water. You guys should really see my nose.
You clicky click? You clicky clicky?
Yeah, look at my nose. Where's the...
Alright, we'll see you guys at the pool.
Wait, let me zoom in on Aydah.
Oh.
What do you want to say? My nose! Okay. Leaving. Sorry guys, we have to leave you in the car because it's raining and I don't even know why we're going swimming. Because of this man.
Yeah, we're gonna take the action cam with us so you guys can see some shots.
Daddy, everybody is leaving.
So what? We're gonna go.
It's like everybody's evacuate. There's like evacuate.
Evacuate. We're going swimming. Let's go, guys. Woo! Hey guys, the audio is gonna sound really bad on this camera. That's okay. It's our waterproof camera. And so they said that there's lightning in the area, so we have to wait at least 30 minutes before we can actually go into the water. So, we're gonna wait. So dumb.
Alright guys, so we just got back from the pool. And this little sweet thing just woke up.
Oh, don't get my face on film.
Face.
My hair is horrible.
Face is on.
My hair is so nice right now.
What, baby?
Look at the little cutie. Look at the little cutie. She got her duck. She's got her duck, as always. And her puppy.
It's too late. It's Sunday tomorrow.
Well, it's going blurry.
You wanna go for a ride? You wanna go for a ride? Bro, you wanna go
What are you doing? Hey, ooh, what you cooking?
Soup.
Yeah,
Soup.
And what else is you cooking over here?
Soup. That's it. There's.
What about that beef?
That's going in the soup.
Oh, what do we have?
It's got veggies, potatoes.
I just want the soup like that. I don't want beef in it.
Why?
Because beef is beef.
Well, then don't eat the beef.
Okay, whatever. I want macaroni. Tomato.
Oh my god.
The last piece of beef.
Nice, delicious, healthy dinner. You want macaroni cheese on it?
Hey, Jayla.
Yeah.
Oh,
Look at Rory's
Oh
gonna
my
send her
God.
puppy on a
I
ride.
literally cannot.
Send my puppy on a
Like
ride.
that.
Send him on a ride.
Why?
Send
You gonna
him.
send him on a ride?
Ready, set, go. Push him. Woo.
And
there
send
goes
him
Ducky.
Down too.
Choose water duck is going down.
Oh.
Oh, what you got
I don't know what to say.
for, huh?
I'm going on my stomach. Guys, vlog me going on my stomach.
Oh, Kinky, get Kinky.
Oh, Genki!
I miss you.
Genki. Oh my gosh, Genki! We need it! Oh, get it!
Yeah.
Mila, vlog me going on my stomach.
Okay.
In the fabulous attempt.
Dangerous.
Stomach maneuver!
Let me get on.
This looks dangerous.
My turn. You film. My turn. You film.
Aren't you gonna go in your stomach?
No, I'm gonna go regular way, then I'll go back.
Ooh, the amazing Jayla that's going backward, frontward. Boring. Old school to
Not going backwards.
now the amazing Jayla going backwards, but the amazing Aydah was better because she went on her stomach
The amazing
frontward.
Aydah was better.
It's not hot.
Wow, Aydah Faye.
I'm seeing this amazing Aydah.
Alright, let me scoot by real quick. I gotta go get changed.
Amazing Aydah.
That's Mooney.
So scary.
Yes.
Oh, I got to see her even more.
Amazing Aydah is probably gonna win. So I know what to do.
Shake it. Shake it up.
Go.
Okay. Let me help you.
My turn.
Daddy do it?
Mine.
Wait, Aydah, I'm just gonna grab some frozen blueberries.
And
Okay, we have to watch and learn. Mommy, where are the frozen blueberries?
They're in the freezer, but just take a few out at a time because then they all defrost and then.
Okay, go ahead, Aydah.
ready? Wait, I messed up.
I already did that.
No, I messed up. Seriously.
So this is how the amazing Aydah's gonna do it. Okay, Aydah, then you grab them on the way back.
Okay, I'm grabbing you guys and I'm going backwards with you guys. And you better let me, Jayla. Okay, ready? Let me get up here. Oh. Okay, woo. Okay, coming up. Ready? Ready? Here, ready. And then I'm gonna go on my belly with you guys. Okay, you guys can really see anything. Ready? I'm going on. Wait. I missed. I almost stuck you guys. Oh, no, I missed again. Oh, yay. Okay, guys, I'm going on my stomach now with you guys.
Oh, you crazy kid! Oh my gosh!
Okay, now I'm gonna do this other one that I know.
Hey, baby.
Yeah.
I got some glue so you can glue
Let
that.
me get on.
Okay.
Crazy glue.
I might not use
I'm
glue.
scared
just trying to get it back
to
to the
use
water.
Oh.
I'm cutting you. Are you okay?
Come on.
Are you okay?
Yeah, it didn't hurt.
Oh my god.
Ready, guys? So, you gotta get on your butt with this. Then, go this right here. Put your legs like this. And then you go like that. And then you gotta go crisscross. With your legs.
You need the, oh, you're gonna do the water stuff first.
Yeah.
See? And then you go flat, flat, flat. Once you get down.
What are we doing here?
Watch out, Rory.
Rory, come here. Row. Move.
Rory.
Rory.
Rory, you're creepy. Rory!
What's so creepy about her? She's so cute and cuddly.
No, she was staring at me and not playing.
We got a wet puppy. Wet puppy.
Okay, ready? I'm going.
Okay. Ow, you bit me. Bit me in my berry.
You know, I'm going.
Go, I've been waiting for like 5 minutes. So we got the Rocket Mom going.
Set.
It's fun, right? We're doing our throw. 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 Our throw.
Hey.
And in the vlog.
Tired.
So I just came up here to end the vlog. Hi guys, love you. We hope you enjoyed the cool clips of us underwater.
The water clip.
Bye
Bye.
guys, I love you. Make sure to click on the picture of me if you want to see more vlogs, and click on the picture of Aydah if you're feeling lucky. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. It means so much to us and it supports us. Bye guys, love you.